Hello, rapid sale buyers. Here we are. We've got ourselves the John Deere 3320 E-Hydro Series tractor. A real nice rural property type tractor, estate type property. I've got Wayne here, who's my operator extraordinaire today, to demonstrate it for you, but it's going to do a walk around. As you can see, those tires are at high percentage of life left in them. It's only got, well, it's less than 300 hours on it, about 296 to be exact. A tractor that's done virtually little other than a bit of local yard work, no heavy pulling, no attachments ever been on it. Yet this would be a perfect tractor to put a small front end loader on it that's compatible with their 3320. Again, 3-cylinder diesel in it, hydrostatic all the way on it. So anyways, Wayne's gonna jump on, fire it up for us, do a little demonstration here for you. He is a good little operator of equipment around here, getting ready for this auction. Got tilt steering on it too, seat belts, rollover bars. Hydrostatic, what a way to go. You could throw a finishing mower on the back of that, a plow, cultivator, rototiller, front end loader. Man, think of all the things you can do with it. Reverse, it works good in reverse. It's got 3 ranges to it. Brakes, got it all 3-point hitch. It's got the remote, hydraulic remotes. Right now we've got a trailer hitch mover on it. Works really well. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Wayne. You can see she's a beautiful little tractor for somebody with extremely low hours on it. Price it out at the dealership and see if you can find a better used one anywhere. Anywhere. Bid, buy, and win. Rapid Sell Online Auctions. One bid more than what somebody else thinks it's worth.